guys, today I'm going to bake a chocolate cake in my toaster oven. So let's get toasting. I happened to see this little chocolate cake at the grocery store, and it comes with everything you need. The cake mix is in there, the frosting mix, and there's even a little 6-inch cake pan in there. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. All you need for this is 1 egg, some butter, and some water. So I'm like, that sounds pretty easy, and it should fit right in my toaster oven. Okay, so this is the chocolate frosting, and that is the cake mix, and this is the little pan. It's kind of a little kind of a paper pan, kind of a paper baking pan. This should be interesting. This was on sale for $3.19. I think the regular price was $3.79. Bought it at the grocery store at Lucky's. So it says dump all your cake powder mix into a bowl, and it says to use a mixer for this, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to try mixing it with a spoon. Then 5 tablespoons of water and 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of butter, softened butter. So this has been sitting out on the counter. I'm not sure how well you can mix this with a spoon, but I guess we'll find out. I mixed up pretty good with just a spoon. Now we'll get it into this little cake pan here. It says to bake this in a 300-degree oven for 34 to 39 minutes. And it doesn't say anything about using a toaster oven, so I'll just keep a close eye on it. While that's cooking, let's mix up our frosting here. That's 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of water, and let's see what this frosting looks like here. I don't know if it's a powder or, you know what? Let's just cut, that'll be easier. Yeah, it's a powder, so we just get that all mixed up with the butter. It says to use an electric mixer for this as well, but the cake batter turned out good, so just use a spoon for this too. It seems really dry, but I'll just keep mixing and see what happens. This looks good now. Just took a little mixing, but looks good. Now we just gotta wait for the cake to finish cooking. It's been 34 minutes, so let's take a look at this. Oh wow, that looks good. I think that's probably done. I'm gonna get it out of there. The box said to let this cool for 15 minutes before you try to get it out of the pan. So I've done that. Oh yeah, perfect. And it says to put it on a wire rack and let it cool before you frost it. My cake cooled down, so let's see if I can frost it now. This cake is called a Duncan Hines Perfect Size. If you want to buy one, if you're looking for it. I put my frosting in the microwave. I put that whole bowl in the microwave for about 5 seconds or so because it's a little bit cold this morning and it was getting kind of hard. So that kind of softened it up a little bit. Looks like it's spreading pretty good. Well, it looks pretty good. Let me see if I can cut a little piece out of it here without it all falling apart. Let's see. There we are. That's pretty good. Not dry at all. Some packaged cakes are, really dry, but that one's nice and moist. And it's actually really good frosting. Kind of rich with all that butter in it, but it's really good. You're probably not supposed to feed dogs chocolate, but we'll give Annie the taste test dog one little taste. Well, that worked out really good. Duncan Hines Perfect Size.
is the perfect size for the toaster oven. Thanks for watching. See you guys.